Just relax.
Yeah, just don't feel the deep in your
Alright, we up in that. Yeah, this one's too hot. Pass out. Pass out. Water too hot. Yeah, hold on for a second. Oh boy, it's gonna chill me. That's good. Yeah, I see your chair rocking.
Okay. You like cut down, right?
Say what?
You like cut down?
Yeah, cut down. Trying to rock myself. I'm sleeping now. So good, boy. Having us a little much needed separation time slash oh yeah, couples retreat. It ain't often we get to see each other alone. We don't get to see each other alone that much, so we had to ditch the kids. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. Making a day of it. I'm gonna check out. Nah, I don't need the boat.
Like too.
Yeah, I don't need that part. I don't never use it.
They got just a flat part you can get and put in too.
Ain't gonna work. Oh, ain't gonna hit like that though.
Yes, it is.
For real.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta stop talking about the chair because yours ain't working. I'm sorry. I guess I'm having to massage you myself. I'm having to massage you myself.
I like that.
Yo. We do. Y'all know what's going on, man. It's your dog. Bulo Nation, man. We back up in here with another one, man. Today is Saturday. I got some things that I need to get done. One of those things is the Jeep needs brakes. So, I gotta do that. And I gotta shoot the Diamond House so we can, yeah, I heard it. One is at the front and back though. Hold on. You can do it that time. I hear something, but I can't tell. I can't tell. But anyway, we gonna change these fronts and see what we got. And shoot over Diamond House, man. We got some motor work to do over there, man. We gotta drop this motor. And then what else? Oh, I gotta go pick up some stuff too, man. So y'all stick around. We about to get this day started, man. Getting started real late though. It's 1 o'clock. But it don't matter. We're gonna go and handle our business and do what we need to do. So with that being said, man, y'all already know what to do, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Share it, man. Please share it. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. I need to get my keys. Hold on, y'all. Yeah. So, man, we out here at the spot, man. Finna pick up the the merchandise, man. Finna pick up the merch, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if he want to be on the camera or whatnot, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So he can, man, tell y'all who he is, tell y'all how to get in contact with him, man. Whatever like that. And yeah, we are chilling though, up under this good old tree, man. Like, see, blowing real cold. Well, it blow real cold anyway, but I wonder where he going. We got that John trailer today. Charger. Daytona tonight. But yeah, man, we just sitting out here, chilling, waiting on him to pull up, and yeah, and the Jeep had to go get some brakes for the Jeep. She said it was kind of wobbly or whatever, so I drove to see what she was talking about. I think it's just a Jeep being a Jeep. I don't think it's too much we can do about it, you know what I'm saying? Kind of, cause it ain't no whole lot of play in the steering wheel, so it's really, I know what it is though, it's these new tires. Like, the tires are really trying to grip everything, so it's like, yeah, it ain't no whole lot of play in it. It's just these tires, man. Once these tires get broke in, I believe it'll be a little better. But yeah. So, like I said, once he get here, I'll see if he wanna be on the camera or whatever, tell y'all his info, blah blah blah. And yeah, we're moving on to the next thing. Yeah, man, I'm about to hop out on it, man, and see what he want to talk about, man. Let's see. She looking like, is that a drug deal? Yeah, man, but tell them who you is, man. Tell them, know what I'm saying, where they can reach you and all that good stuff.
Man, I make all the t-shirts, all the apparel. You can reach me at tshirtguy.com. You can if you need to contact me, you can meet me on Facebook at T-Shirt Guy, Instagram at T-Shirt Guy, all of it T-Shirt Guy. So, man, let's work. I do all the shirts for this man right here.
Yes, sir.
I got some more information on my website, on my Facebook, Instagram, all of it. So, Snapchat too. So,
Snapchat.
Yeah.
You be Snapchatting it.
Alright.
Y'all see what's going on. professionalism, man. Ain't it, man, by B-Lo Nation, man. We got it going on up in here. What's up? Man, I'm finna go and, well, you already know how I go. When I order something else, I'm gonna hit you right back. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you.
For sure.
For sure.
Alright.
Man,
Ain't it mine?
Ain't it mine? Ain't it mine?
Ain't it mine?
Mine ain't. Hey, you hear me?
Alright, man.
Alright, man. So, yeah, man, we about to shoot back to the other side of town, man. And, about to shoot back to the other side of town. Had to give y'all that little information, man, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm supporting everybody, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm spending my money, man, investing in myself, man, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm spending, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no, he ain't paid me to say that, he ain't paid me to do that, none of that, you know what I'm saying? I'm just showing love, man, that's just who I am, y'all know that. So, yeah, y'all got all this info. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and give him a follow. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff right there. Yeah, now let's get back on the other side of town, man, so we can get what we got going on. You dig what I'm saying?